Raise your hand if you love sidewalk chalk. Me! Did you know that you can make your own liquid sidewalk chalk using just 3 ingredients? All you need is cornstarch, water, and food coloring. And what makes this recipe so easy is you use equal parts water and cornstarch. So if you want to make a big batch or a little batch, just use the same amount. So let's get started. I'm going to do just a half a cup of each cornstarch and water. So go ahead and let's pour that cornstarch in. We're gonna pour and pour and pour and pour. We're gonna pour and pour and pour and pour. Go. Almost there. All right, that's looking good. Maybe just a sprinkle more. There we go. Okay, now we are going to add our water next. So we're just gonna pour that right on top. Pour and pour and pour and pour. And now we're gonna stir it all together. Let's stir and stir and stir and stir. Stir and stir and stir and stir. All right, so now we've got our mixture all ready, and I'm gonna portion it out into a muffin tin so I can add my colors separately. So let's pour in a little bit into each cup. Looking good, and then we can start adding our food coloring. So I'm gonna make 6 colors here. We'll start with some red, prepare a little orange, and we'll do some purple over there. Here, add some yellow for the orange and a little yellow on its own. And how about some blue on its own, and a little blue with the red to make some purple. And last but not least, a little bit of green. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and mix these up so that we get some beautiful paint colors. Let's mix and mix and mix and mix, mix and mix and mix and mix. All right, we've got some really beautiful and vibrant colors here. So I'm gonna take them outside and we're gonna try them out on the sidewalk.